Hey guys, Go Get Sure. Make more videos again today, guys. We're gonna be testing out the cordless digital inflator. So without further ado, let's get to it. So I'm actually gonna be testing this out on my friend's boat, the trailer thing that we had last time. So let's actually get to his house right now. Look at that Hondo cord. But let me do a quick unboxing right here, right in the trunk. Look at that, it even comes with a nice case. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh. Okay, so the reason why I got this is because of my last video. The boat trailer needed some air, and I realized that there was no plug to plug in my portable tire inflator in anywhere, so we had to actually get our pump and stuff. All right, we're gonna need to fill these tires up with air so that we can actually move it out. And so I decided, you know what, why don't we just have something like this, which is cordless, you know, battery operated, and use it wherever we want to. That's why this is gonna be perfect, guys. Well, hopefully, you know, hopefully it works. Look at this. Oh man, pretty heavy duty. It's got the actual device right there. We're gonna need this to attach to this bad boy. We have the battery right here. It looks like a freaking drill, 12-volt battery. Already charged it, ready to go. I haven't used it yet. And then last but not least, which is cool, is that yes, it is battery operated, but you can also use this right here. You can plug into your car, 12-volt cigarette lighter, charging port, whatever you want to call it, and plug it in, and it does the same exact thing. This is just in case if the battery dies on this, but in this case the battery is not dead. Look at this. All right, it should work. Let's actually go to the trailer and let's do this. Ooh, we're taking the Tundra. How you doing, sir? How you doing? Do you know why the reason why I stopped you? All right, we made it. All right, we made it to the infamous junkyard, Alberto's junkyard right here. So the PSI this thing requires is actually 50, and we're going to actually put 50 on here so that it automatically stops pretty much whenever it's done. All right, and then you just screw it on. As you can see, we're just screwing it on right now. There we go. And then push the button. Ooh, Lambo? No. Was that Lambo, Alberto? No. While this is happening, what are you gonna do with your land, Alberto?
Build a house eventually.
Eventually build a house on this? For rental?
Yeah.
How many rental properties do you have, Alberto? You think we can finish this? It's gonna take some work, I know. So normally this thing shouldn't take that long. It's just that obviously it's completely flat. Let me just check. Yeah, let's just check it. Just check to make sure. Obviously you can use this for a car, basketball, SUV, whatever, truck. However, we're just doing it on a trailer because that's what we needed at the moment. Yeah. All right, now we're gonna do the other side. As you can see, it's good to go. Let's see how flat the other side is. It automatically turns off, right? Yeah. Nice. Let's just make our pathway to that place.
33.5.
This one is 33? Mm-hmm. Oh man. And it's supposed to be 50? Since technically you're the one using it, what do you think about it?
Pretty nice. It's portable. I mean, small, compact. So
yeah.
I mean, compared to the big compressor that I tried the other day.
Yeah. But you don't like stuff that's made of plastic.
Yeah.
But would you still use it though?
Yeah, I'll use it.
Okay, okay. Yeah, the moment he saw it, he was like, oh man, it's made of plastic. I'm like, yeah.
But it does rust though.
Yeah, it works. I mean, it gets the job done, right? You think we should like remove this ruster to make it look better, I guess? Alberto just said that might as well just check the pressure of his Tundra because, I mean, we have that thing right here. Yeah, once that's done, I guess we'll just check to see if all these tires are good to go. Oh, look at those tires. Kind of does look kind of flat, but I don't know, we'll see. Are the pod lights on? They're the pod lights right there. People always tell me on my videos, oh, those don't last that long. It looks like it's part of the vehicle too. It's kind of weird. It's like dirty part of the vehicle. Is it Gucci?
Gucci.
All right, let's put it on your truck too. Ah! What the frick was that? Now it's gonna be safe to actually take this trailer. Can't wait to continue. We're not gonna be working on this today. However, we will continue working on it tomorrow. Today we have something special. We're going to somewhere. You'll see. What is it? No, you gotta turn it on. First, you always have to turn it on, guys. Make sure you turn it on. The boat one was 50. What is this right here?
This is, right now it has 46, but...
Make sure it's PSI too. Yeah, it's PSI. Now let's check on your door right here. It says right here, the front needs 49 PSI. The rears need 49 as well. So everything 49 and the spare is 33. So 49, dude. So once you put PSI, just put 50 since like it's gonna be close. There we go. Look at this, Alberto, random iPhone 10X Max case. Thing with Alberto is that he breaks an iPhone every week. You get an iPhone every week, right, Alberto? Yeah. All right, guys, so this thing actually does work. It does get the Berto approval rating, except the fact that it's not metal. He likes everything that's metal, so this is plastic. But in a pinch, as you can see, the bolt's way back there. It's better to have something wireless like this, something that's cordless, that you can just, you know, plug it in and then get some air into your vehicle or whatever you require. And in this case, this helped a lot. I'll leave the links in the description below for this bad boy. Now let's actually go do what we had planned to do today.